When you open up the NBA Game Time Courtside iPad app, the start screen is the playoff bracket. The Celtics and the Magic series shows to be live. Touching this series brings up the game screen. The game screen has lots of information, most of which is not apparent. Notice the ticker at the bottom of the screen. Touching this in the center brings up some headlines. There are different types of headlines: text articles, video clips, and Twitter updates, as indicated by the icons. Clicking on a Twitter update will bring up a warning screen asking if you want to leave the program. Selecting a video link brings up a small screen to watch the video clip, as you can see in this Kobe video. Selecting a text article brings up a box to view the text, as you can see in this Jackson article. In the top right corner of the screen you can see a box that shows fast break points. This box will rotate automatically, or you can select to change. It also shows bench points and points in the paint. If you select the full series at the top right corner, the entire series is shown in summary boxes. Selecting any game will take you to that particular game screen. Selecting the Celtics score brings up their team stats. Selecting Players button gives you all the current stats for the Celtics players. Selecting the Magic score gives you their team stats, and selecting the Players button gives you all their player stats. Selecting the box in the top left corner will show the lead tracker key, which will show the maximum lead for the home and away team and the current leader. In this game, the Celtics have never been behind. If you select the Preview button, a box will appear showing the Magic Celtics preview. Selecting the Play-by-Play button will expand the Play-by-Play box. Click again to shrink down to the current play. Selecting the Video button between the two game scores brings up a expanded list of video clip thumbnails, which you can select to view. These videos are nice for catching up on game action or halftime highlights. Below the court there are several buttons. The performance zones show each team's shooting percentage in different areas of the court. The scoring zones show each team's points at various locations on the court. The shot chart gives you a good idea of where each team is making and missing shots. All stats shown on the court can be viewed by quarter. This is a shot chart for the third quarter, the scoring zones for the third quarter, and the performance zones for only the third quarter. What's normally shown on the court is the current players in the game. You can select a player to see their card stat summary, and you can flip the card around and see their career stats and year-by-year summaries. You can even select a bench player to see their card and their career and year-by-year stats. On each side of the court there are leaderboards for each team. These can be expanded to show more than the three default categories of points, rebounds, and assists. Finally, if you select the bracket in the top left corner of a mini bracket pops up where you can navigate to another game or to a full screen view of the bracket.